Hello. I recently watched many viral nanotape bubble making videos. So I wanted to try once. Here I took nanotape, a straw, boil water and some shiny elements. At first I thought it may not be smooth, but, ooh yes, failed to keep first time. Rather than making video, was really having fun with my mom, as she also joined me. At last we made some bubbles and destroyed it as well. With this fun and easy activity, you can create unique and personalized bubbles using nothing more than some colorful nano tape. Simply wrap the tape around a small ball or bead, cut off any excess. Then tada! The best part? Nanotape bubble making is affordable, portable, and can be enjoyed by crafters of all ages and skill levels. I really enjoyed this moment with my mom. Yes, we made some bubbles and destroyed it as well at the end. Try it out and share your creations with the world. Thanks for watching. Follow for more.